This is John with WETI, or you can call myself a little bit of a germophobic, or I always like to keep everything clean around me. So this is where this Lysol antibacterial and, for me, multi-purpose cleaner comes into place. So the way that I like to use this is that all the different surfaces that I'm around, I work from home and I'm always doing things on my desk. I would just take a towel and pass it over, like you would see in this video right now. I would pass it over and it just stays everything clear, has this nice linen clean scent that you just feel like even the air and your surroundings and your environment is just cleaner. So sometimes I get a little bit of throat hurts, and I was trying to avoid, like, how can I do this? So I would try to keep all my surfaces clean. My fan, this is where I clean it with. The towel again, pass it over every place. My windows, so they stay rust and dust free, but at the same time disinfected, and always trying to take care of yourself. So really good, does the job perfect. So this was John with WETI, and that was my point of view.